Now, to add a new background, open the desired background image. Copy it, return to your main project, and paste the new background. Resize and position it as needed. Press Enter to confirm. In the Layers panel, drag the new background layer below your subject layer to position it correctly. And that's it, you've successfully replaced the background in your image. To export your image in Photoshop, click on File in the top menu. Hover over Export and select Export As. In the Export As dialog box, set the format to JPEG. Adjust the quality slider to your desired level. Choose the image size and resolution as needed. Click Export to proceed. In the Save dialog box, select your desired location, name the file, and click Save.